Welcome to Kids Educational. Today, we're going on an exciting journey through the wonderful world of numbers and counting. Are you ready to explore the number 1 to 100? Let's dive right in. Let's start with number 1. Say 1 with me. Imagine there's only one shiny red apple on a big green tree. This is how we write the number 1. 1. Can you trace it in the air with your finger? Great job. Now let's move on to number 2. Say 2 out loud. Picture 2 fluffy yellow ducklings swimming in a pond. This is how we write the number 2. 2. Try tracing it on your palm. Fantastic. Next up is number 3. Say 3 with enthusiasm. Visualize 3 colorful balloons floating in the sky. This is how we write the number 3. 3. Can you draw it on an imaginary chalkboard? You're doing amazing. Let's continue with number 4. Say 4 nice and clear. Think of 4 playful puppies chasing each other in a park. This is how we write the number 4. 4. Trace it on your leg. Wonderful effort. Now for number 5. Say 5 with a big smile. Imagine 5 bright stars twinkling in the night sky. This is how we write the number 5. 5. Try drawing it in the air with your elbow. You're getting so good at this. Moving on to number 6. Say 6 loudly. Picture 6 juicy oranges in a fruit bowl. This is how we write the number 6. 6. Can you trace it on your tummy? Excellent work. Let's tackle number 7. Say 7 with confidence. Visualize 7 colorful crayons lined up on a table. This is how we write the number 7. 7. Draw it on your forehead with your finger. You're becoming a number expert. Now for number 8. Say 8 with excitement. Imagine 8 buzzing bees flying around a pretty flower. This is how we write the number 8. 8. Trace it on your shoulder. Superb job. Let's learn number 9. Say 9 clearly. Picture 9 fluffy clouds floating in the blue sky. This is how we write the number 9. 9. Can you draw it on your knee? You're doing fantastic. And finally, we reach number 10. Say 10 with pride. Visualize 10 shiny pennies lined up in a row. This is how we write the number 10. 10. Try tracing it on your back. Amazing work. Now that we've learned our first 10 numbers, let's count some fun objects together. Can you see the toy box in front of you? Let's count the toys as we take them out. 1 teddy bear, 2 toy cars, 3 building blocks, 4 plastic dinosaurs, 5 colorful marbles. Keep going. 6 rubber ducks, 7 toy soldiers, 8 jigsaw puzzle pieces, 9 bouncy balls, and 10 shiny stickers. Wow, you counted all the way to 10. Let's try counting some yummy fruits next. Imagine a big fruit basket filled with delicious treats. Count with me as we name each fruit. 1 juicy apple, 2 sweet bananas, 3 ripe oranges, 4 purple grapes, 5 tasty strawberries. You're doing great. 6 crunchy pears, 7 soft peaches, 8 tangy lemons, 9 plump cherries, and 10 kiwi fruits. Fantastic counting. Now let's count some cute animals on a farm. Close your eyes and picture a big red barn surrounded by green fields. Are you ready to count the animals? 1 brown cow, 2 white sheep, 3 pink pigs, 4 fluffy chickens, 5 playful kittens. Keep it up. 6 tall horses, 7 yellow ducks, 8 furry rabbits, 9 noisy geese, and 10 busy bees. You're becoming a counting champion. Let's practice writing our numbers now. Imagine you have a big piece of paper and a colorful marker. We'll start with number 1. Draw a straight line down. That's it. You've written the number 1. For number 2, start at the top, curve around to the right, and then draw a straight line across the bottom. Great job. You've written the number 2. To write number 3, make 2 curves, one on top of the other, like a sideways letter S. Wonderful. That's the number 3. For number 4, draw a straight line down, then a line across, and another line down. Connect them all together. Excellent. You've written the number 4. To write number 5, draw a line down, curve around to the left, and add a hat on top. Fantastic. That's the number 5. For number 6, make a big curve and close it at the top. Perfect. You've written the number 6. To write number 7, draw a straight line across the top, then a diagonal line down to the left. Great work. That's the number 7. For number 8, draw 2 circles, one on top of the other. Wonderful. You've written the number 8. To write number 9, draw a circle and add a straight line down on the right side. Excellent. That's the number 9. And finally, for number 10, write a 1 and a 0 side by side. Amazing job! You've written all the numbers from 1 to 10. Now let's count even higher. Are you ready for a big number adventure? We'll count all the way to 100. Don't worry if it seems like a lot. We'll take it step by step. Let's start. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. We've reached 20. Let's keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's fantastic. We're at 30 now. You're doing so well. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Wonderful. We've made it to 40. Are you ready for more? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Amazing. We're halfway to 100. Let's continue our counting journey. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Excellent work. We've reached 60. Keep up the great counting. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Superb. We're at 70 now. You're becoming a real counting expert. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Incredible. We've made it to 80. Just a little more to go. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Outstanding. We're at 90. We're almost there. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. Congratulations. You've counted all the way to 100. What an amazing achievement. You've done a fantastic job today learning about numbers and counting. Remember, numbers are all around us, and counting is a skill you'll use every day. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a math superstar. Thank you for joining us on this number adventure. Until next time, keep counting and have fun with math.